In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Medicube discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Medicube discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one 10% discount right here, you can simply tap on this option where it says copy code. And now we'll have to wait for the page to load up. I'm going to reload it. So right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and you can use it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called withrift.com right here. So as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one 10% discount, all you need to do is just simply tap on this option where it says copy code, and the promo code is copied right here. So all you need to do is just use this one on your next purchase in order to get that 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.